Firstly, remove any items from the shelf and then lift the shelf up and out of the fridge. On one side, gently pull the existing shelf front away. Then use something flat like a blunt knife and gently unclip the two front connectors as shown. You'll then be able to unclip the other side. With your new front shelf, firstly clip in one side and then the two front connectors. You'll hear a noticeable click when they're in correctly. You'll then be able to clip on the final side. And that's it. Slide the shelf back into the fridge and you're all set to go.